oyibo kuchie. Ntinye ka n'ọlụ ma akụọ. Mekwe business ọdaga. My mama tell me say, onye say follow no road. Because if you follow no road, you go suffer so day you go tire. You go waka so day you go tire. Obodo ndị si n'onye ofu anya bụ eze. If you follow splendid furniture, if you follow big money, if you follow people Ghana, you go pop champagne, you go see your red can finish. Follow no road, oga. Follow no road, Bobby. Follow no road, people think follow no road, brother. Follow no road, follow no road, sister. Follow no road, you get it right. Follow no road. Because I dey follow Dangote, because I dey follow E-money, because I dey follow Big Cubana. Some people say they do follow. If you look at your circle of friends and you don't get inspired, you don't have a circle, brother. You are living in bondage. Bobby, if you want to follow, make you follow no road. Because if you follow no road, you could it's all on your